Hey team, it's Dr. George here and I wanted to make a quick video on foreskin care and maintenance. The foreskin is actually a really important organ of the body and it's made of very delicate tissues. There's the outside that you see when the foreskin is pulled over. However, when you pull the foreskin back, you can see the inner lining is actually a different type of skin and it's very delicate. For this reason, it's really important to look after it carefully. I highly recommend don't use soap products on your foreskin. Recommend things like hypoallergenic sort of soap products, which are things like QV wash, Cetaphil, or even Phisohex, which is sort of an antibacterial moisturizing cream. So it's very important, by using soaps on this, it dries out the skin and it doesn't work as well as it should. So use water or use things like QV lotion. In the shower, pull the foreskin back, cleanse it with some water and maybe just a little touch of the QV and then continue on with your shower. After you've had a shower, you can dry yourself off, pull the foreskin back, gently pat it dry with a towel and then pull the foreskin back. If your foreskin does not retract, you can actually get like a little washing nozzle, which might look like a bulb to clean your ears, or even anything that's going to guide a gentle stream of water just into the opening of the foreskin. Balloon the foreskin out with a little bit of water and then allow that water to clean out. Of course, treat your foreskin gently when you're doing the wash. If you notice any redness, pain, little cuts, or swelling, come and see your doctor and we can get it sorted out. We do this all day long and I want to make sure that you and your boy bits are healthy. If you have any questions about foreskins, please leave me a message below. Have an amazing day.